Although we have released the new osCommerce 4 version, many shop owners continue to use systems based on osCommerce 2. As a result, we have made adjustments to the new PayPal module to support Express and APM alternative payment methods, ensuring compatibility with osCommerce 2-based systems. In this video, you can watch how to configure the new PayPal module in the advanced variant. If you are going to use alternative payment methods or wish to take credit card payments without leaving site, you should set up webhooks and custom card fields options. In order to do it, click on the installed module, on Edit button, and on Click here to configure link. Then click on Account Details and Advanced Settings link. And on Subscribe button next to Required Webhooks. To display fields for entering credit card information on the checkout page, follow these steps. Check the box next to Status to enable the feature. By default, the necessary settings are already pre-selected. Click the Save button in the pop-up window. Scroll down the page and click the Save button again to ensure the changes are applied. By following these instructions, the credit card fields will be shown on the checkout page. Let us discuss the configuration of the module itself. In order to do it, click on Edit button for it again. Enable PayPal REST module by clicking on True or False options. Disable PayPal for guests if only virtual products are in shopping cart. Since PayPal does not provide any billing address, the guest, Express, orders will not have any address. Show PayPal button on shopping cart page. If horizontal is chosen and depending on design, only one PayPal button may show. Show PayPal button on checkout login page. If horizontal is chosen and depending on design, only one PayPal button may show. Also, further settings will be shown below. Show PayPal button on checkout page. If horizontal is chosen and depending on design, only one PayPal button may show. Fields option allows to show fields for filling in the credit card information on the checkout page. Show PayPal Pay Later info. It is available almost all over the world. Also, further settings will be shown later in this video. Save order before payment. Recommended if you have quite a lot of orders and alternative payment methods. Transaction method: either pre, authorize, or automatic payment withdrawal, sale. Here you can set up the statuses of the orders for this module, for pending order status and for paid order status separately. Next is the payment zone, where you can choose the required payment zone, leave it as none. Choose the transaction server as live or sandbox. Dynamic button color from the list below. Dynamic button shape as pill or rect. Dynamic button size can be small, medium, large, or responsive. Dynamic button label: these are the different names for the buttons that you can choose from. Enable payment methods: if no payment methods are chosen, the system will choose the ones based on their availability for a certain country and your PayPal account settings. That is all. Save the changes. Please note that the other configuration options that will be shown further are available for osCommerce 2.3 version only. In order to add the PayPal button to the login page, click on Modules and Content tabs and then on Install Module button. Click on PayPal Checkout and on Install Module button again. In order for PayPal Checkout button to be below login form and create account link, you need to set up the sort order number with bigger number than these numbers, so let us choose 3000. Also, if want the PayPal button to show to the right, choose full for content width on this page and save the changes. In order to add PayPal Pay Later button and information to the shopping cart, click on Modules and Boxes tabs and Install Module button. Click on PayPal and on Install Module button again. Click on PayPal and then on Edit button. For PayPal button to show below the shopping cart, you need to choose the sort order that is more than 5000, so let us choose 5005 and save it. In the previous video, you can see how to configure the new PayPal module in the standard variant, so see the link to this video here. Also see the links to the other videos regarding simple installation of the new PayPal module for osCommerce versions 2.2 and 2.3 and how you can purchase on the front end using the new PayPal module.